If you have it as a 5 year cycle or
Mm.
project, then you're doing well, and that's the way you should plan it.
Yeah, that's what I think. I think if you come into crypto, stick around for 5 years.
Yeah.
Don't,
I'll,
good to get the most out of it, I'd say. Because like you say, in a bear market, you can be stacking. You can be like, right, this everything's as cheap as it's going to go. Buy as much as you can, as much as you can afford. And then wait for 2024, and then it's like, whoa, party time again. Here we go.
and if it's not gone up by, 5% in a day, yeah, just chill. It's not going to go up every single day for the next year or 8 months. There will be dips along the way, and the problem is when there's a dip, just chill out. Don't sell. Just leave it because people have got
Also,
paper hands.
think about, and yeah, spaghetti arms as well. That is the problem with this day and age, in my opinion. There's just too many people want to make the money quick. Oh, I've been in it for 3, 4 weeks. Where's my money? Why is it not going up?
Yeah,
And it's like, the best things come to those that wait in this space, I
yeah.
think.
You've got to learn patience. Although it does go up at a ridiculous rate, you've still got to have patience for the dips and the sideways action because
Yeah.
it's not going to go up fast straight away. There's
It
peaks and
ain't easy,
troughs.
man. You got to be
No,
some sort of weird psychopath to enjoy this. I think you got to, the days where you wake up and it's like your whole profile is like 30% down, and it's like, oh well, I'll just watch this, see how it plays out. The best thing is to do not to watch it. On those days, I turn my laptop off and
yeah,
go for a run or whatever. Do that.
yeah, definitely,
The next
definitely.
day it should look better.
Another and one last thing I would say is Twitter is the worst place for advice
Be
because
selective,
there's bots on there, there's people that shield all
but
sorts.
but
Just
follow
try.
this guy because he's all right on Twitter.
Yeah, follow Crypto Boomer on Twitter. Is that your Twitter
It's my
name
handle. I changed
handle?
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So follow Crypto Boomer. I'm on it as well.